Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me again today. This week at Challenge Night, we had a new group of very fast people show up, which is always good to have. They're not names I completely am unfamiliar with, as I have seen them at the top of the monthly Fast Times leaderboard in the past, challenging for that top spot. So they're definitely familiar with the track and familiar with the cards and all that good stuff. Now, as for the format of the night, we started off with a Autocross Qualifying format, where we got exactly one lap on the new track layout to go down and put down a fast time, and then we would have to pull right back into the pits. Now, this was really difficult because we had no warm-up time on this track layout. We weren't exactly sure how it was going to work every time we went out, and any knowledge that we gained, we had to save until our turn back in line. So it was really challenging to put all that information together in a very short amount of track time to get a fast lap. So we took those results and we seeded some qualifying races, which then seeded into the final championship race for the night. Now, I only have one of the qualifying races on the video because honestly the other one is just not very fun to watch unless you like watching me lose, because that is exactly what happened. I had a kart that was quite understeery, so I had to take some turns real wide to make them. And as most of you people who race know, if you're leaving holes for your competitors behind you, they are going to pass you, and you are going to lose positions, and that is exactly what happened to me. As for the championship race, we did my favorite format, which is Joker laps, which is something from rallycross style racing in the stadium and stuff, where you get to take a shortcut lap. Now, it's a lot of fun because it gives you a lot of strategy, gives you opportunity to pass people, and it's just my favorite format overall. I feel like I complain about the kart a little more than I normally do in the races, and I think it's because since we had so many fast people, my brain was immediately like, any minuscule negative problem is going to cost me positions. So it's honestly not that big of a deal. It's not like these things are like unwieldy or something like that. It's just me being salty and complaining by minuscule differences. I promise I do not complain that much normally. So if you like what you see, be sure to give me a like on the video. And if you want to see more, make sure you click that subscribe button. It would help me greatly. And thanks for watching.
Oh, yeah, okay, we got some slippage. Good. All right, good. Oh, no, oh, God, okay. All right, we're understanding. The car doesn't want to turn left, but that's okay. Okay, that's pretty good so far. I like that. Now this part I did not do correctly. That felt a little better. I don't know if that was faster. We'll see. Man, this one lap is rough. I'd feel better if my kart would turn left, though. Okay. This part I am not doing correctly, that's for sure. Not doing that correctly. That doesn't feel fast. I'm pretty good. I feel pretty good with the rest of it though. But that part I'm not doing correct. I don't know if it just doesn't want to turn left, if that's my problem or what. Okay, last one. Well, let's try to push it a little bit, because we are doing bad with this particular part up here. That's for sure. I scrubbed a little bit too much speed there, probably. I know, Tweak. Yep, go ahead and hit me, bud. That's what we're talking about. I just saw somebody come flying in. Holy shit. Oh boy, somebody's right behind me. Is that Tweak? That is not Tweak. Oh, that is John, I think. Oh boy, that part's not doing good right now. Oh, sliding bad. Ooh, it's gonna be a move at the end, I'm sure. Yep. Got a real gaggle behind me. I can tell that. How many laps we got left, I can't tell. I got a little bit of space. We got a little space. Executing non-defensive line. Let's go. Nice. Ooh, there's a battle back there. We love to see it. You love to see it. If I can just hold them off a little more, I feel like, oh, my brake has been stuck. I wonder if that's contributed to any slowness. I gotta do the strategy where I pull my brake up. Yep, yeah, we gotta do the old pull the brake up thing. Brake, please. Stay there, bud. It's okay, we're fine. We're fine. I think that's me. I think I'm done. I think that was it. They are definitely in the wrong order at the beginning. I think Boob is supposed to be on the outside. Oh my god! Oh my god, that hurt! Holy moly! Oh, yep, thanks for hitting me in the right way. That was helpful. I might take one immediately, depending if any of these people take one. Nah, we'll wait. But I might take one next time, I think. We're really going to base it on what they're doing in front of me. Okay, we're not. I think this gas pedal or brake pedal sticks. So if I can catch this guy, if I can catch him, I know he's really fast, then we're taking one. It'd be great if he took one. Oh yeah, that brake is sticking. Brake is sticking. Oh, that was so wide. I do need to get in front of him somehow. I need to have a good lap where I get on his bumper. Oh, that's fine. Perfect. Perfect. Although I think we're similar speeds, so not really sure what I'll be able to do. I think there's 7 left. We probably got to take one now. Unless they're taking one. I wonder if they've taken both theirs. Oh, he hasn't. Okay, I got one left. I think I can place. I'm not sure I can still win. Unless I really wheel it hard here. What now?
seconds later.
Yeah, we are going to avoid this, that's for sure. I hope no one else has theirs. Please stop sticking, brake pedal. Ugh. Brake pedal, please. Stop sticking. Well, moment of truth. Let's see if anybody's got one left. I do have the inside line though, which is helpful. Let's go, dude! Let's go!